Hi there.
We have another smart car again. What's going on?
Smart car specialist.
We are smart car specialists, I think.
For the same guy.
For the same person. Bottom half going pink.
Body.
And that's about it. Anything else?
Exactly what Aramis just said.
Yeah.
You didn't introduce the start of the week, Aramis.
Sorry.
We've got another cool little project in as well this week.
What's that? Oh, right, the other one. Thanks, Tech Rap.
Hey guys. So, this is the marvellous colour for this lovely smart car.
Lovely.
Oracle Soft Pink it's called.
Baby brown.
Yeah, so you want to keep some of the gloss black, so you want to keep the gloss black bit around the window, keep the roof gloss black. That's about it. Exciting times.
Wow. That was...
Some good shots, that. You should use that. That was a sick shot.
Mate, you should make a...
So today is Wednesday. This young lad didn't bring his camera in yesterday, so we didn't get any footage yesterday.
Don't go on that.
So we've got this gun on behind me, which you can't see.
Not yet.
And we've got a front end on this Focus RS to get PPF'd. So it's just had a wash. Got to give it a little clay bar down and then get crystal clear to give it a polish over. Ready for us to PPF, just front end. So front bumper, bonnet, arches, and he wants the roof done too. Hi guys!
How is it going?
Good. Just putting door handles back on this marvellous van.
Hello.
Alright, mate.
What day is it?
It's Wednesday.
Wednesday. Hang on.
It's definitely Wednesday.
Wednesday. What's the dealio?
What?
What's the dealio?
Nothing, I don't know.
Why are you filming me then?
Just see what you got to say for yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good then.
Yeah. Got this van done. All good.
Yeah?
Have you seen it yet? Seen
No.
it? There it is. Have a look.
Nice tires.
Daryl's just in there sorting the handles out.
I didn't see it yet. I'm not allowed to see it yet.
Daryl told you about the PPF on this?
Probably.
PPF this. Don't know whether he's told you.
No. You know what he's like?
Yeah, I did. Did a little walk round.
No, twice now. Got to walk round. And then we're supposed to do jobs outside, but it's raining. We can't do that. But yeah. All good. In the hood.
You look really nice then.
Hi guys. What? You were supposed to. I was going to video you taking all the Christmas decorations down.
Well, you didn't, did you?
No.
Why not?
Because I forgot.
Okay. Anyway, PPF, come on. What are you doing?
I've already explained.
Yeah, in 4K.
So, okay. 4K. 4K.
Red Bull gives you wings.
It doesn't.
So, as I said earlier on, PPF in the front end of this. So we've got to
PPF it. You little sugar plum. Alright. So we have the Christmas tree, and it's
Hey mate.
Thursday today.
Thursday today, yeah.
What are you doing?
Wrapping these spoilers for someone I didn't meet, but yeah.
Cool.
Going silver.
It's got I think it's transporter. Primed parts.
Primered.
Going silver.
Going silver. And we got to finish that off.
PPF.
PPS, 18 bands done outside, and we've got a small band to sign right over there, and that's pretty much it.
Cool.
So it's Friday today, last day of the week. We are just getting everything done. Me and Jay's in today. Aramis is off, so I've got to do all the camera in. Great. So today we've just been to Pierce Brothers, done 2 vans and a little poster, doing some graphics for them. We've got this spoiler that we're wrapping to go on a transit van, which we've got a bond on later on. We finished the PPF on the front end of this, so this looks sweet. So we're also signwriting this van, which we've got to get finished off. Just a bit of gold graphics to go over the top of it. That'll be done. And then we've got this Mustang in for next week, brand new, straight from Ford to us. Yeah, straight from Ford to us. We've just got to add some stripes over the top of it. That'll be cool.
I'm guessing you haven't finished the vlog.
No, I haven't. Not yet.
Van's just left.
Van's just left.
All good.
PPF's done, which I said earlier on. All good. Everything's done. Good week. Except for this guy behind you had a day off, but he's here now. It's not so good. We'll see you next week.
Bye.